Hello everyone. For people who capture trains, this might be an regular affair on the double line section. For others, this will be interesting. And before jumping onto the video, let me clear the title part. I'm pretty sure people will come after the title. This is the first time I'm capturing a WAP7, crossing a WAP7 on the Mysore line, hence the title. This happened at Krishnadevaraya Halt. We were actually waiting for the new memo, the three-phase memo, the video which you saw a few days back. I mean, for people who missed it, you can click on the I and have a look at that. So there were trains coming from both the sides, and it was WAP7 from both the sides. As usual, it was confusion for me from where to start, on which side to start, because you never know which train will come first to you. And I always feel that I should not miss out on the locomotive part, especially. I don't mind missing the coaches, but then locomotives are very important for me. So I decided to start from the Mysore end, and Aditya started from the other end. I'm not sure if Aditya has uploaded his version. If he has done it, I'll share the link below. If not, once he does it, I'll pin it as a comment. As the train was coming closer, I was really tensed. I was like, what if the other train passes? I generally prefer to capture the front face of the locomotive whenever the case is, not only in the crossing. I never like to take it in the backward direction. So I wanted the loco to pass, the first train's loco to pass, then I wanted to pan and capture the other loco coming in. But did that happen? You will see that in the video. And this is the short thing that I wanted to say. I mean, there's always confusion in a rail fan's mind where to start. And I'm pretty sure people who capture can understand that. Maybe you can share your experience below as well of how you handle that situation. And sometimes it will be successful. Your instinct will go as the way you want. Sometimes it will not. And what happened this time? I will look.
சரி நீ இதை விடு நான் இதை விடுறேன்.
மால்குடியா? Yeah, I guess you know the answer now. Luckily, I got it the way I wanted. I'm not sure what Aditya felt. I mean, I hope he sees this video and answers to this part. And the shakes in the video was the exact same reason. I mean, my camera was facing towards Malgudi Express, but at the same time, my eyes was looking behind, like where the tipo is. So the video is not properly taken, but I believe it was okay to publish online. I hope you all enjoyed this one. Do let me know what you felt about this video, and see you soon.